In this video, I'm going to be covering overnight work from home jobs where you can make upwards of $26 per hour helping customers at night. One of these jobs is going to be a flexible job in the sense that you can pick up an overnight shift if you want to, or you could do day shift, or you could even create your own shift here. So that's really good. That one is paying around $22 per hour. The other job that I want to cover here is paying around $22 per hour, but there is a monthly bonus, and on average most people earn $600 to $800 from that monthly bonus. So that will push you up to over $26 per hour. So with all that said, I'm going to be covering two new job leads today. Again, work from home or work from home overnight jobs if you choose to do so, but if not, you can still do these in the daytime, and these are flexible remote work from home jobs. Now, just before I get into the details here, just a quick reminder, if you guys haven't already done so, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is the work from home channel, because soon enough I'll be moving all the work from home or remote work from home content to this channel right here. I'll be repurposing this channel for a different type of content. So if you came here primarily because you were looking for a remote work from home job or methods of making money online, then you definitely want to go over to the work from home channel right here. I'll leave the link down below in the description. But as you can see, some of my recently posted videos, high-paying data entry job where you can make over $6,000 per month working from home remotely, typing, entering data. The only downside to a job like this is that you need to be able to type at least 65 words per minute, which is really fast. So that's the downside. Other jobs here, legit websites that pay you $50 per task. In 2024, I covered 15 websites that would pay you, or where you could find tasks that would pay you at least $50 per task. And there are other jobs here as well. I mean, $8,000 a month in customer service, which is unheard of. Also, other high-paying data entry jobs paying over $6,000, $29 per hour worldwide working in tech support. So a ton of really good job opportunities here. So again, if you're looking for that remote work from home job opportunity, definitely want to be subscribed to this channel, the work from home channel. And when you do subscribe, be sure to go ahead and tap the notification bell right here, because that seems to be the only way that YouTube is sending out notifications of when I post new job leads or videos here on this channel. So with all that covered, let's now dive in today's job leads. So the first job lead I want to cover before we get into the overnight job is going to be at SpeakEasy, and they're currently looking for a customer service person, not customer call center position, because it does say this is not a sales or call center position, and this is going to be with you working from home remotely. So for this opportunity, you're going to provide personalized phone and email-based customer service for clients located throughout the US. And they're looking for someone that has a great track record of success, wants to be reorganized for your contributions. Also, you want to be a part of a high energy, fast growing team that provides quality products and services that people actually want. You bring ideas to the table, you're coachable, you're disciplined enough to work out of your own home, which could be challenging, but as long as you can commit to working and not having any distractions, then you should definitely apply for this job. Now, as for benefits here, the starting pay is $20 per hour. However, after 90 days, your performance will be reviewed. If you pass that review, then it will be raised to $22 per hour. And then after 6 months, they will offer you a book of business bonus, which is a small percentage of the monthly payment of the clients you manage every month. And full-time here, they can expect to receive an additional $600 to $800 per month through the book of business bonus. Also, in addition to that, there are other opportunities here, including commission on upsells, 15% off everything sold, contract renewals, $500 per renewal, and obtaining positive Google Maps reviews from satisfied clients. You get $100 per review. So you can actually make a good deal of money here, even if you're not too happy with the base pay, which is only $22 per hour. So I'll still go ahead and apply, because you could be earning way over $22 per hour here based on all the commissions and the bonuses that you could make working here. Now, as for qualifications, these are what you need to apply for this job. So own computer, high-speed internet access, phone, and a quiet place to work from, quiet and distraction free. Also, experience with Ring Central and Zoho, that would be a plus. It's not required, but would give you that competitive edge. Also must be available to work part-time, around 20 hours per week at first, and then expand your hours to full-time later on. Working hours are anywhere Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. For this one, nights and weekends are not anticipated, so you won't have to work nights or weekends. And also skills here: fluency in Microsoft Excel and Word, using Gmail, sending attachments, navigating websites, making Google searches, able to use Google Drive as well. Pretty basic stuff here. Excellent communicator in writing and over the phone. Ability to meet deadlines is also essential. Must be organized with a strong work ethic and ability to self-motivate, and must successfully complete the screening process. Now, as for the responsibilities that you'll be doing here, this will give you an idea of the day-to-day life in this job. So onboard new clients, be the primary account manager for customers and prospects, assist new clients with providing US access to Google Maps and social media platforms, establish client goals, contact customers following new sales to ensure ongoing customer satisfaction, forward any support requests, complaints, items needing attention to the support team so they can resolve those as quickly as possible, develop and maintain strong relationships with clients to ensure continued customer loyalty, be on the lookout for ways to improve the products and services, answer and return client phone inquiries, and update multiple spreadsheets and email threads to keep the team informed on client issues, situation, billing problems, etc. Now, apart from this, you just need to be able to pass a background check, and there's some information here that you should go through. Also, when you're applying, you need to put this in the subject line, because if you don't, then your resume or your job application would be discarded or just filtered out. Also, you need to list why you feel you'd be a great fit for the position, your time zone, also a short recorded message to your email, and also an audio file and a copy of your resume. So I'll leave the link down below to this job listing here. This is a new job listing, so not a lot of people have already applied. So I'd say go ahead and apply as soon as possible, because after covering these new job leads, usually after about a day or so, these job listings are pulled because of the amount of people applying for these jobs. So you definitely want to get in before the job listing is pulled. Now, with that covered, let's move into the other job lead, which is going to be the remote work from home job that you can do overnights. So this is working at this company, it's TLCX, and they're like a call center, and they have a couple of positions open here right now. They also hire worldwide, so they're in a bunch of different countries. So for example, they're in Colombia, the Dominican Republic, India, the Philippines, and the United States. So if you're watching from any of these other countries, I mean, if you're in the Philippines, or if you're in India or the Dominican Republic, or even Colombia, you can actually apply here. The only difference is that the rate of pay may be different depending on your location, but the job should be similar or just about the same. Now, as for the actual positions, they don't list them here on their website. They're listed on Indeed. So we'll go over to Indeed, and here we have this position. This is remote in the United States, and although it's remote in the United States, you need to be in one of these states. So either New Mexico, Texas, Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Louisiana, Arkansas. So if you're in one of these states, then you could apply here. And this job is really flexible. So expected hours, 10 to 40 hours per week. So this could be part-time or full-time. They give a ton of benefits here. And also the schedule is really flexible. So you could do a 10-hour shift, a 12-hour shift, 4-hour shift, 8. You could do after school. You could even choose your own hours. You could do an evening shift, night shift, overnight shift. So really the choice is yours. Weekends only if you want to. You get to decide what fits best with your current schedule, and then you can do that here. Now, as for this job, they didn't really list a whole lot of details. It just says here they provide superior customer care, have fun while doing it, and they encourage others to succeed. Now, this is most likely going to be an entry-level type of job where they do provide you with paid training. So if you've never worked in customer service before, or this is going to be your first job, this is really a great way to get in because you actually get trained to do the job. And as for salary, there was none listed here or for any of their other positions, but I was able to find this company on Glassdoor, and a customer service representative here makes anywhere from $32,000 to $44,000 per year. This is based on 26 reported salaries, but just keep in mind that not all of these salaries will be from the same location. I mean, some could be from Colombia, some could be from the Philippines, some could be from the United States. So that will affect the actual range here, so it may throw it off a bit. So keep that in mind, but based on the 26 reported salaries, this is what people are making on average. So if that works for you, then you can go ahead and apply for this job. Also, this company does have over 200 reviews, and overall rating here on Glassdoor is 3.4 out of 5 stars. So fairly good. Most of the companies that I review here usually fall within the 3-star range. So I think this is a fairly good company to work for. We can still go ahead and look at some of the reviews to see what people had to say about working here. You could also look at some of the interview questions as well to see if this would be a good fit for you. So these were 2 new job leads. Be sure to apply as soon as possible. So the call center representative, where you can create your own schedule, fit it around anything you have going on right now, whether you're a full-time stay-at-home mom or you have other obligations, or maybe you just have another job, probably 2 jobs, and you want another job or supplementary income, that you could fit this around your current schedule. And also we had the customer service person wanted, which wasn't really a call center position, but you could apply to this one as well, where you could be making base pay $22 per hour, $600 to $800 in bonuses, and then you get commissions for bringing clients in, getting Google reviews, and also commissions on products sold. So 2 really great opportunities, and I think you guys should apply as soon as possible. Now, just before we go, just want to remind you guys of the pro resume templates right here. Professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which simply means that your resume won't be discarded, won't be filtered out by the system, actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So if you've not been landing any interviews, or you know that your resume needs work, this is probably why. So in this kit, we're including 3 resume templates that come broken down into sections with section by section instructions on how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying for. Also 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, 3 matching reference pages, 3 matching thank you letters or interview follow-ups. You don't have to use these, but you can if you want to. Everything here is fully customizable. Use whichever template you like the most, or you could use them all. And there's a screen recording showing you exactly how you can go about editing these really quickly. Also, you don't need to pay for any software to edit these templates. You can do so using Google Docs, which is completely free. So that is another plus. So if you do need this resource, link is down below. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you find that dream remote work from home job that you're searching for. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.